Hi, to connect your Samsung Galaxy S25 to your car, you just need to go in Phone Settings. From here, tap Connected Devices tab, and then scroll a bit down and choose Android Auto. And after that, simply tap blue button Connect a Vehicle. Now we got two options. We can either just set up it with the help of wired connection or wirelessly if your vehicle is 2021 or newer. If you choose wired connection, then plug your phone into this vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port. So you need to connect USB cable to start. If you choose to do this wirelessly and this feature is available for you, then press and hold the voice command button to begin setup. And please note that this one available in some 2021 or newer vehicles. Now you need to tap Connect using Bluetooth, tap Pair a Vehicle, and find it in this list, tap and Connect. And after that, you'll be connected. Then you can go back, check previously connected vehicles, and simply adjust this Android Auto settings. For example, disable to start music automatically. And if you got some troubles, then you can try to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in settings. And also for stable work, it is recommended to use original Samsung cable that goes in a conflict with the device. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.